Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, right click on start icon and select settings. Then we need to click on apps. Then once we are here, we need to just scroll down and search for startup. So click here to open it. Now we need to disable the applications, for example Microsoft Edge, then updates, Windows security notification icon, Xbox, and we can turn off all these options. So once done, close this window, go to search bar, then type registry editor. So click here to open it, select S. Now on this window we need to just expand HKey local machine. So here it is, just click here to expand it, then open system folder. Now just open control set 001 folder. Now expand services folder, then find out NDU. So just search for it. So here it is, just select it. On the right side, right click on start, select modify and change the value data as to 4. Click on OK. Now on the same window we need to expand system, so just go back. So here it is, just again expand HK local machine, then expand system folder, then expand control set 001, then go to control, this time open control folder. Now search for session manager. So here it is, just expand it, then find out memory management. In this session, so here it is, just select it. On the right side we need to find out clear page file at shutdown and simply right click on it, select modify, change the value data as to 1. So click on OK. Now close this window, then open run. You can right click here and select run and type here ms config and click on OK. It will open system configuration window. Then we need to go to services tab, check on this option, then you will get the checked services here. After that you need to just click on disable all, click on apply and then OK. After that just restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.